So we are given a mirror and we have given an initial ray like this, and focus is given. We need to plot the path of the ray. So to accurately plot the path, let's pass one line through the focus which meets the same point here. So now we know that if it passes through the focus, then the reflected ray must be parallel to the principal axis. So this yellow line represents a definite path of the ray. So this path is 100% correct. Now we know that if we bisect this angle, that will pass through the center of curvature, because focus is at r/2. So if this dashed line is the line passing through the center of curvature, which means the ray which we are supposed to draw, that should be making equal angles with the dashed line, or it should be making equal angles with the yellow line. So if this angle, whatever this angle is, we'll draw the same angle here, and that will be our final ray. Similarly here also, we'll again, so this ray is given, we need to plot how the ray will proceed after that. So again, we'll have the focus here, so we'll get a line which is passing through the focus. So the incoming ray will be parallel to the principal axis, and again the angle bisector of this yellow ray will be passing through the center of curvature. So this ray and the resulting ray should be symmetric about that line, or they should be making equal angles with the yellow line. So that's how we plot accurately the path of the ray. Draw approximate position of mirror and focal point. So we are given an object and we are given an image, and this object and image is getting produced from a mirror. So we need to find where approximately should be the mirror and where should be its focal point. Now the object and image are inverted. The image is inverted, which means the image is real, which means the mirror must be a concave mirror. Now where to put it? So we can put it towards left or we can put it towards right, but you can see that the object is small and the size of the image is large, which means object must be nearer to the mirror. So mirror should be towards left. So object must be between focus and radius and the center, and image will be from center to infinity at some point. So let's read. Object P is in between focus and radius and R of concave mirror, and image P dash forms between R and infinity. Now in second case, both object and image are erect, and object is larger but image is smaller. So if you remember, in case of concave mirror, the virtual image is possible. So this is a virtual image because both are erect. But in concave mirror, the virtual image is larger than the object. But here, the virtual image is smaller than the object, which means mirror must be convex mirror. And it should be in between them. And image from a convex mirror always forms between the pole and the focus. So here is the approximate position of pole. So object P is in front of convex mirror and image P dash forms between pole and focus. So very, very important question. Looks like it doesn't look much, but there's a lot of fundamentals that get cleared by attempting all these 4 problems. And later we'll see after some 5-6 problems that the same thing we'll have to do with the lenses also. So very interesting problem.